Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today I will be doing a voiceover, which, heads up if you didn't already know, I am not that good at, so bear with me please. But I will be doing a voiceover on how I created my simple yet pretty nice looking Peach cosplay. Princess Peach cosplay. So the very first thing you saw me doing was you saw a t-shirt, a gray t-shirt over a pink t-shirt, and I was using the gray t-shirt as basically like a pattern on how much to take in the pink t-shirt. And as you can see here, I have sewn the amount that I feel was comfortable and good enough to be taken in. So first I pinned it, lining up where the gray t-shirt ended, pinned it, and then sewed along it. And then here you can see I cut off the excess, and around the curves I cut little slits in it to make the curves much more easier. And then here you see the sleeves sewn back on to create more of like a puffy sleeve look, and how the t-shirt shape is. And I just put elastic on the inside of the sleeves, and actually, fun fact, I made the elastic too tight, so I started using ice cream containers to stretch out the arm elastic. Now, the next thing I have here is I'm creating a full circle skirt, but I'm using 4 quarter panels. So this is my pattern, and I basically just cut out 4 of these shapes. Oh, excuse me, I am yawning, I apologize. I cut out 4 of those shapes and created a full circle skirt, as you can see. I'm actually really happy with it. It looks really cool in my opinion. It is very wrinkly. I'm going to have to fix that at some point, going to have to iron that. And so the next thing I did was I added the bottom dark pink fabric and the little bustle. Ooh, excuse me, I am so sorry. Why am I yawning so much? Excuse me, I added the little bustle parts on the side. And then this is the finished shirt. For the chest gem, I honestly just did an iron-on because I wanted it to be flat. I didn't really want any extra weight there, so I just made it flat. And then out of clay, I created, as you can see there, the ice cream stretching out the sleeves. And then out of clay, I made 2 spheres and then 4 little gem shapes. And as you can see, the 4 gem shapes were painted and put onto a crown, which the crown is made out of foam and metallic gold paint, and the 2 circles will be making the earrings. And then that is the final product. I'm actually really happy with the way this looks. I'm so happy. Underneath it, I will be putting a smaller petticoat. I do have a much fuller one, but that gets really heavy, so I am just going to be using the smaller one. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!